The Election Commission of Pakistan, which is behind me, on Sunday announced the complete results of the country's general elections 2024, which took place on February 8 last Thursday. According to the election results announced for the National Assembly, or the lower house of the country's parliament, independent candidates got 101 seats. The Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif got 75 seats. And the Pakistan People's Party parliamentarians of former Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari got 54 seats. The Muttahida Qawmi Movement Pakistan got 17 seats. The Jamiyat Ulama Islam Pakistan got 4 seats. The Pakistan Muslim League got 3 seats. The Istehkam Pakistan Party and Balochistan National Party got 2 seats each. While Majlis Wahdat al-Muslimin Pakistan, Pakistan Muslim League Ziaul Haq Shaheed, Pakhtunkhwa National Awami Party Pakistan and Balochistan Awami Party, Pakhtunkhwa Milli Awami Party and the National Party got 1 seats each. The Election Commission announced the result of 262 out of 266 seats for the National Assembly of the country for the elections which took place last Thursday to elect a government for the next 5 years. The election body of the country postponed voting for 1 seat due to the death of the candidate and withheld the results for 1 seat and announced partial revoting for it.